Hi everyone, I will show you how to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. Open Instagram app, then swipe right. Now tap a icon. Now tap the sticker icon on the top right. Now tap here and you can add a picture. Tap again the sticker icon and tap again here. Select another picture. Now tap again the sticker icon and select again. Now you can add the multiple pictures on your Instagram stories. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.